There are different ways to edit the PDF file in laptop. One of the way is to do it through the Microsoft Word. And in this video, I will show you how you can do that with MS Word. Step 1, open the Microsoft document, then go to the file, click open, and then search for your document. Open the document in Microsoft Word. It is going to give you a caution. Click OK. Wait for the document to open. Click enable editing. Again click OK. Now you can edit the document just like it is a Microsoft Word document. Let's say I have made this text bold and I've changed the color also, as you can see here. I'm just going to change it, highlight this. I'm going to make this some other color. And then once we are done, we can just go click file, click save as, then save the document at required place. This is the most important point, that instead of the default my MS Word document, you need to click this and select PDF and then click save. So it is going to again save your editable document as a PDF, and that PDF document will open up in your PDF viewer or editor. In my case, it was Adobe Acrobat Reader. So that's how you can edit a PDF file in laptop.